And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. In this video, I'm going to have another look at this. This is the TTArtisan Lightmeter. And I've been using this for a while now. And yes, I still recommend it. I think it's a brilliant piece of kit if you've got a camera without a light meter and you need something small and portable. Stick it on the hot shoe, cold shoe, whatever, with the cold shoe mount. But what I'd like to do in this video is just go over my experience so far with it. Now, I think, as I said before, the actual shoe mount doesn't fit all of the older cameras. I've had to file this down to fit my Zorky rangefinders, but then it becomes a little bit too loose for my other cameras. So all I've done is wrapped one of these little elasticated things around it. That just makes it a little bit thicker for it to hold on more, and then I can sometimes just wrap this round other bits so it doesn't fall off. Yeah, I found it accurate and very useful. But the other thing you're going to notice, and it's not a deal breaker, it's not makes this any worse, it's what it is. Stick my glasses on for this one. You've got the ISO setting there, and that's in the middle of your f-stop dial. Now this f-stop dial is really just setting the ISO. And what I mean by that, if we've got it on ISO 100, I've got from f1 to f16. So if you want to shoot at f22, you can't move that round to get a setting if you're on ISO 100. But if you're on ISO 200, then yes, you can. And in ISO 200, you've got the full range. Now let's say you are in an ISO 50, so say Pan F, Ilford Pan F, and it stops at ISO 11. And all it means is you're going to have to use your brain and work out that, okay, I'm shooting at, let's say it gives you f11 at a 60th. I want to shoot at f16. That just means you're closing the aperture down one stop. So you're just going to have to open the shutter speed by one stop. So in this case, if you wanted to shoot at f16, you're going to have to shoot at a 30th because you've closed it down. Now at the other end of the scale, which goes to 6400, will only go down to just under 2.8. So as you can see, all that dial is doing is moving your f-stop and where it's going to sit, and depending on what ISO you pick, what range you're going to get. And it's just a design of it, but it's something I should be aware of. You're going to have to do a little bit of mental arithmetic if you're outside its operating range. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.